Hi, I'm Danielle Wynn. I'm a freshwater ecologist with Fairfax County Stormwater Planning within the Department of Public Works. We're here today at Whitman Middle School where we converted about 4,000 square feet of turf grass into a pollinator meadow.
My name is Jessica Fish and I am a science teacher here at Whitman Middle School. I reached out to Danielle Wynn. I spoke to her about this area of land in the back of our school, which was pretty barren. It was covered in sod, and I was thinking it would be amazing if we could instead cover it in a natural meadow type of ecosystem.
We have a drill seeder on the back of the tractor. What a drill seeder does, it drills a hole in the soil, allows the seed to fall into it, and then covers that hole up with dirt for the seeds so they won't blow away and they'll germinate.
Turf grass doesn't really do a great job with providing any benefits to our ecosystem. This will benefit the community by providing food and habitat to our native wildlife and also reduce emissions needed to mow lawn that really wasn't used by the students.
The goal is to turn this into a sort of outdoor learning space, hoping to get the kids out here and understand how energy and matter cycles through ecosystems so that they can see that they are not only coming to visit nature, but they are part of nature.
This partnership program between Fairfax County Public Works and Fairfax County Public Schools is a wonderful opportunity to make our schools a little greener and make our water a little cleaner. So if there are other schools that are interested, they can contact the Watershed Education and Outreach section within Stormwater Planning, and you'll find a whole list of free programs that are offered to the community, as well as contact information to put your school on a list for programs like this.